He go hard.
Bitch ass nigga call my phone, told me he dropped the low. It's just me and bro, we posted all up in the store. He got a gun, I got a gun, we ready for this, bro. He called my phone talking shit, I told her get his bro. We dropping bodies back to back, we dropping toe to toe. He told me when he was gonna murk me, I said do it though. He asked me who the fuck was speaking, I said the Reaper, bro. I said the Reaper, bro.
You know who I am, 18, I don't run, I don't hide, I don't scam. I be posted with a blicky in the field, going ham. We don't talk, we just slide, I be capping on the gram. Do you know who I be? Many name in the streets, I ain't never had peace. Tryna play me like I'm feet, never name on the teeth. And I love for the out, bitches leave his brain in the seats.
Leave his body out, blinding white chalk on the sidewalk. He was talking shit up on the ground, no he can't walk. Shut the fuck up and get your motherfucking money up. Fucking money up, your brother's a fucking bitch. He already knew that, your brother's a fucking snitch. He already knew that, your mama fucking with a snitch. She already knew that. He said he got cases, how the fuck he get out? He was running his mouth, so tell him do it again. And shut the fuck up like a bitch.